So I noticed a lot of people were having issues trying to actually get a Windows 98 or Windows 95 virtual machine running. Specifically, I'm using VirtualBox by Oracle, and I had this problem, but I noticed that whether you're using hypervisor or VMware or some other kind of virtual machine spinner, that this problem was happening. I did a little bit of research, and apparently if you have certain newer generation CPUs, there's some kind of issue with the Windows 98 or 95 self-test on the virtual machine's quote hardware causes an issue when it's trying to divide by 0. Apparently it throws some kind of error with like Shell32DLL and illegal operations and stuff like that. So I looked into it. There is a patch for this. It is well known, called Patcher 9X. It's for the 95 and 98 series of Windows operating systems. It's on GitHub. All you have to do is go to the release pages. It is the 8.5 beta, but I haven't noticed any issues with it, at least for the limited use cases I have for spinning up a Windows 98 virtual machine. It's really easy to do. You just go to the releases, download the IMA, which is a mountable floppy disk. You go into the VirtualBox environment where it says floppy, just click it, you mount the virtual floppy disk, and then you just change the boot settings so that you're booting from the floppy. It's going to bring up the floppy drive DOS, and you just run Patcher 9X. Go through the steps. It will patch the Windows 98 operating system in the virtual environment. And now you just run through the rest of the Win98 setup and you are good to go.